Hello everyone! Today, let's talk about space and how we might live there one day. NASA, the space agency, is working on building homes in space called space habitats. Imagine living on a different planet. These homes are not just a dream, they are the future of space exploration. Living on the Moon or Mars for a long time will require special places for astronauts to stay. These space habitats will be like mini-cities in space with everything astronauts need to live and work. Engineers are developing new materials and technologies to make these habitats safe and sustainable. They are even figuring out how to grow food in space, using hydroponic gardens and other innovative methods. These habitats will have recreational areas, places to exercise, and social spaces to keep astronauts healthy and happy. The idea of living in space is not just for astronauts. One day it could be a reality for everyone, including families and children. Imagine bustling spaceports and cities beyond Earth where people live, work, and explore the final frontier. The future of space homes is bright and full of possibilities. Who knows? You might be one of the pioneers living among the stars.
Building a home in space is not easy though. Space is a harsh environment. We have to think about things we don't worry about on Earth. For example, there is no air to breathe, so we have to create our own. It's also freezing cold in space, and dangerous radiation from the sun could harm astronauts.
This is where artificial intelligence, or AI, comes in. AI is revolutionizing the way we approach space exploration and habitation. By leveraging advanced algorithms and machine learning, AI can process vast amounts of data far more efficiently than humans ever could. AI is like a smart helper for NASA. It assists engineers and scientists in making critical decisions by providing insights that would be impossible to gather manually. This smart technology is integrated into various aspects of space missions. They use AI to design space habitats that can handle these challenges. These habitats need to be self-sustaining and resilient to the harsh conditions of space. AI helps in creating designs that optimize space, resources, and safety. AI can analyze tons of data and figure out the best ways to build a safe and comfortable home in space. It evaluates different scenarios and simulations to ensure that the habitats can withstand extreme temperatures, radiation, and other space hazards. For example,